morning, sixth graders. I wanted to jump on camera again to show you how to upload photographs to Google Classroom. Because this is art class, I need to see what you're creating. But since this distance learning thing is happening, not everybody has the same technology. And I wanted to show you how I would upload these photos to Google Classroom. You might be using one of two technologies. You might be using a computer like I am right now, or you might be using a cell phone or tablet. I'm going to talk about my computer users first. If you're a computer user, I would just simply open up the camera application that you got, hold up your assignment, maybe smile next to it, and then take your photographs. This would be a quick, easy way. Just line it up. Oopsies. Line it up to the camera and simply take a photograph. From the photograph that you've took a picture of, you can then upload it. I don't know if you can see me. There you go. Upload it to the Google Classroom, which I'll show in a moment. If you're a cell phone user or tablet user, you're going to do the same thing. You're going to take a photograph, but then you'll need to use an app, the Google Classroom app, to upload it so I can see it. I'm going to jump over to Google Classroom real quick. Alrighty. You should be seeing what I'm seeing still. Hello? I don't know if you can hear me. We'll see. Okay. I am unable to see student side posts. I can only see what I'm posting, but I can't see what it looks like on your side. When you do go to upload your assignment, if you're on a computer, you would hit the add button, select file, and then you can drag and drop files. I like to go to recents, or no, upload, select from file device. I don't know what your computer looks like, so you'll have to dig for it. Usually it will be located in the pictures folder. I don't know though, because I don't own your computer, but that's how you would upload it. If you are a cell phone user, you could hit add. You could upload a file here. You could go to Google Drive, but you'd have to upload that photo to Google Drive. With this first assignment, it's a way for us to test the system. Having you take a photograph of your supplies lets me know what you have. It lets me know if you have a camera that you can take photos with. And it lets you practice uploading now. So like in a few weeks when you have to upload more, we know how to do it. Hopefully that helped some of you. Like I said, first assignment, gather your art supplies and take a photo of it. That's 5 points going in the grade book. So, have a great day.